Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Gardening. So before starting the video, I want you all to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest videos notification. And please click on that thumbs up button and comment down that you liked this video and this video is helpful for you or not. So let's start our video. So there are some questions that you all are thinking that why I'm showing this money plant to you all. So I'm showing this money plant to you all because today we are going to talk about manures and about all plants. So this is a money plant and here you can see that how the soil is. Look, the soil is very like it's very bad looking. And the money plant is also completely damaged looking. Look, only one leaf is coming. So there are many people having question why others money plant are growing so nicely and their money plant is not growing well. So it's a confusing question. The answer of this question is that we have to use manure and fertilizers for making our plants healthy. And same problem is here with this money plant that I have not used any fertilizer or manure to this plant and not given. That's not all that we are giving water to them. We also have to give them manures and fertilizer. So today in this video, I'm going to make a good homemade manure. And this manure is really very healthy and helpful. So let's start the video to manure. Shift it. This is that healthy manure which I have told you and this I have collected from many days. I'm collecting this. This is tea leaves used which I have taken from that used tea. So now for making that healthy manure for our plants, we have to wash it and then strain it and then keep it in sun. So let's wash it and strain it. So first of all, I'm gonna take a strainer. So here is our strainer. So here I'm gonna just like in this way. We have to take little, otherwise it will not strain nicely. So we just have to take out the smell of tea, because if we can just add this like this way also, but if we add like this, some milk and sugar is there left. So the animals like cat, they can come and destroy our plants. That's why I'm going to wash it and strain it and then keep it in sun. So let's wash it in a low pressure and straining it. Look how it's just coming. Now here you can see how we have added the water. Now with a spoon I will just mix it and then look, in this way we are going to strain it. All the tea items will just come out and now we will spread it in a plate. So here the process is completely ready and now we have to just keep it in under the sun rays and don't keep it in night because night has moist. So please take it before night. And now I'm going to keep it on terrace, or you can keep it at home where the sun rays come. So let's keep it. So here I have keep it. So let's meet after 2-3 days. Welcome back after 2 days. Now we are on our terrace. Let's see our manure. Is it ready? So let's. Yeah, now it's completely ready. Now we can use it. Guys, now foolproof. I'll show you that how to use it. Here I have taken. It's a good manure and I'm going to add it. Like in this way. I'm just going to mix it. Now I can show you that how many healthy plants we have by using these manure. Earlier also I have used this and little we will add. step by step. And we have to add this in 1 month 2 times, like after 2 weeks, in this way. So I'm gonna add and mix it. Now I have mixed it. Very carefully we have to mix it. Now here you can see my plants, that they are really very healthy. It's a tomato plant and it's a garlic plant. Here you can see. Other also I have can see my plants, that they are really very healthy. It's a tomato plant and it's a garlic plant. Here you can see. Other also I have coriander, and they are all healthy because of this manure. And due to this manure I am getting a very good and very healthy plants, and now they are completely getting ready, that I can take these out. Look, they are now getting brown, and this is a symbol that they are going to ready. So let's meet.